Planning a healthy dinner that's both satisfying and conducive to weight loss can transform your evening routine. Start with a colorful salad, blending mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, and avocado. Drizzle with a light vinaigrette. The crunch and freshness will awaken your palate. This vibrant dish not only fills you up, but also packs in essential nutrients, paving the way for healthy, long-term weight control. Next, venture into the delightful realm of grilled vegetables. Slice zucchini, bell peppers, and asparagus before tossing them lightly in olive oil and seasoning with herbs. Grill them until they attain a smoky char, a perfect side ring to your main course. These veggies are rich in fiber and low in calories, ensuring a satisfying meal without the guilt. For a heartier option, consider one pan-baked chicken with sweet potatoes. Season chicken breasts with garlic, paprika, and herbs, and roast alongside cubes of sweet potato and Brussels sprouts. The sweet potatoes contribute antioxidants, while the chicken offers lean protein, helping you feel fuller longer. The symphony of flavors baked together creates a rustic taste and aroma that will mesmerize anyone at the dinner table. Seamlessly transitioning next to fish, try a baked salmon fillet accompanied by a refreshing lemon dill sauce. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for overall health and can aid weight loss. Serve the salmon with steamed broccoli or green beans, ensuring you stay on track with your health goals, while enjoying a deliciously creamy texture from the fish that contrasts beautifully with the crisp greens. Another delightful dish is creamy cauliflower risotto, a healthier twist on traditional risotto. Blend cooked cauliflower with vegetable broth and a splash of almond milk for a creamy consistency. Stir in asparagus and peas for added color and nutritional benefits. This dish offers satisfaction with minimal carbs, making it an ideal indulgence for dinner without compromising weight loss efforts. Lastly, finish your meal with a lightweight dessert, such as baked apples sprinkled with cinnamon and a dollop of Greek yogurt. It's a simple, sweet treat that complements your healthy dinner perfectly while satisfying your dessert cravings. With these vibrant, nutritious recipes, your dinners can not only be enjoyable, but also contribute to your weight loss journey, making every meal a step towards a healthier lifestyle.